Uh, Hello and welcome back to another stream. Today I'm hosting a small stream, 1 hour. I will be here. So if you have any questions or you have any suggestions, just drop it them in the chat. I will read them, so no worries about this. Today, what I prepare for you, it's nothing special, but nothing exciting. But I think it's gonna be pretty informative because we're gonna take a look on our website. We will take a look what we have, and I will try to show you what we offer and what do we have more than filaments, because this is pretty important. Okay, let's play some small quiet music, and maybe it's gonna be more chill, if I can say that. Okay. So let's go to our display. Right now there is no one on the stream, but yes, one viewer. Hello there, hello, welcome. Let's go to the display and me, so maybe you can see what I'm trying to say, and it's gonna be a little bit more engaging, maybe, I hope. So yeah, this is our website, spectrumfilaments.com, and we have 3 languages: Polish, English, and German, because we sell most of the filaments in Europe. So there is basically English and German, the most popular languages, but also we have Polish, because we are a Polish company, right? Yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But let's try in English, because this is most universal language. So let's start with our offer, because let's wait with the offer. Let's go first to the our blog, because this is pretty cool. Nobody, maybe not, I cannot say nobody, but not many people knows that, but we have a blog that we have pretty cool information about 3D printing, filaments, and even more. So we have different projects. We have new catalogs that will supposed to come pretty soon. Our social media, as you can see, we are posting our shorts, our projects, and a presentation of filaments. You can also find our materials in different stores in Europe and even in Canada, 3D Printing Canada. We have more resellers. So yes, this is a pretty big company. So you should buy our filaments, because they are pretty good. I can say that with 100% certainty that it's good. Yeah, let's go to the case study. We have what do we have here? Okay, we have a few cool informations about our filaments, and then we should have the where is it? Where is it? How it's made? News. Let's try news. Maybe there's gonna be there. We have Maker Faire. No, this is not pretty new news. Where is the blog? Prografen we have now. Our refills, pretty good. Why did I lost it? Wait, it's supposed to be somewhere here. Maybe here. Or maybe no, sorry, it's through the shop. Sorry, let's go with the shop, and then online shop, and then it's gonna be from there probably. This is our materials, because this is a pretty new feature. So online shop, let's go with the European Union. Okay, close the cookies, and we should have it somewhere here. Popular choice, knowledge base, here it is. I found it. So yeah, many new articles coming, so please take a few minutes if you are interested in 3D printing, because we have very good specialists about 3D printing and also filaments. So if you have any doubts about filaments or 3D printing, maybe you will find the answer here. For example, why to use ASA 275. It's a special name for our ASA, to use it outdoors. It's pretty good article there, a few reasons why you should do it. UV resistance, and it's very sturdy. So basically a lot of information there to see and read. So I really can aanbevalen that, recommend that. So this is one article from January, and we have a lot of articles from last year, from December, from November. So yes, please take a look there if you want. So this is not only the shop, you have also pretty cool information about our materials, but if you want to get a little bit deeper in the our offer, there is a lot of information going on here on the first button, our offer. We have plenty of materials, like so many materials. I cannot even tell you how many, because I have a catalog somewhere here. I think it's here. Unfortunately, this is the last year catalog, because in the new catalog, I didn't take a new catalog yet. I don't know why. But if I want to count every single material and color we have, it's we don't even have on the list. If you're gonna see the list, it's like, this is only the materials. This is not the colors. So it's like, it's a lot. Believe me, it's a lot. So starting with the 5-pack, it's pretty cool to see that you can buy like small spools, 250 grams. So you can test our filaments, our materials in different configurations. Unfortunately, you cannot put them together by yourself. We have pre-made it, like Magic Silk, ASA 275, different materials, for example, material mix, and then you can go inside here and see that it's PLA, PET, GPCTG, PLA Silk, and ASA 275 Traffic Yellow. So you don't need to buy a whole kilogram of one spool to just test it if it's working for you, or if you do you like the material, or it's the color it's for you. You can just buy small spools and take a look on all of them. This is very popular pack, glitter, because this compound, this glitter, it's so cool. It looks so amazing. It's sold out basically all the time. Once it's produced, it's almost gone immediately. It's on a back order, probably. So yeah, I really recommend using those because even if you want a big spool, it's hard to get it. Our extruders working 24/7 to just keep with the demand. So yes. Oh, and this is our Bison Brown, probably the one from the last video that looks like a chocolate. It's amazing. Okay, let's go further. We have PLA, which it's divided to Spectrum. This is our premium brand, and the Filament. This is a more affordable brand. And also the Filament goes to the PLA Light and PET-G Light, which is even more affordable. And looking at the prices right now with different manufacturers, our prices are very competitive. It's hard to beat our price. I will show you in 1 second. But first we have also ProGraphen, which is PLA graphene strong and light. You can see this is something new we have. As I remember it, yeah, it contains 5% graphene, offering exceptional strength, flexibility, and abrasion resistance. So it's also high-speed printing. So it's even faster, slower, or even equal to 1000 millimeters per second. So if you have crazy fast printer, you can try to use this one with the graphene, 5% graphene in it. Let's go back to my favorite line, which is PLA Light and PET-G Light. The PET-G Light, I'm not sure why it's not under the Filament. Maybe it's under the new brand, which is, yeah, here. Okay. Anyway, the price is so good. It's also going really fast on sale. So if you want to grab PLA Light refill with orange, which I also have, because this is the one that it's available right now, then you can do it. From the other filaments, they are gone except the green on a spool, which is small quantity on stock. Small quantity means that it's probably between 10 and probably 50 or something like that, not sure. But if you have large quantity on stock, it's like hundreds of them probably. So once you're going inside here, you can see this. We have this nice cool promotion here. Maybe I'm gonna put it on a bigger screen for a second. It's here. If you're gonna buy more, oh, you don't see my cursor. 1 second, maybe I'm gonna just fix it so you can see my cursor. No, it's not gonna work. 1 second. Supposed to be here, but it's not. Sorry. 1 second. I'm gonna just fix the video. I broke it. 1 second, 1 second. It's gonna be working, but this discount, it's pretty good. It's really worth to see it. Okay, I think I fixed it. Yeah. So let's go back. Here we are. If you're gonna put promotion details, you're gonna see all the prices and all the information that it's the most important. So if you're gonna buy more rolls, you're gonna get even more discount. So if you're gonna buy 3 plus up to 6, you're gonna get 17 euros, for example, for PLA Premium. But what we are wanting to buy is PLA Light, for example, or PETG Light. So you're going refill from 1190 to 1130. If you're gonna buy 6 or more, you're gonna get 1071 or 1012 if you're gonna get 10 plus rolls. So this is amazing offer, in my opinion, because it is hard to beat price, believe me. So let's say we want to buy like what my friends did is they just buy like 20 rolls and they add it to basket. And of course we have all this special promotion, additional discount code for our sorry, I forgot to turn on the music. For our viewers, which is Spectrum YT10, and then you're gonna get additional 10% discount. So you can do Spectrum YT10, and then you're gonna push here, and then you have even more discount. So we're buying 20 spools for in total 178 euros 60 cents, which is crazy cheap in my opinion. Only 4 picks in stock currently. Sorry, it is only 4, but maybe it's more because everything is updating on production. So maybe it's more. I experienced that before, so it depends. It depends. So try to use that because it's pretty worth it. It's a very good price in my opinion. So yes, do it. So on the new bar, you're gonna see the filament, and then we have this also PETG Light, and because it's on a different category, maybe this is why they are available here. So yeah, this is the PETG Light Black 175, which is a refill. And it's already costing 1071. So yeah, because we have so much in the basket, we already have this lower price. So I think it's a great deal. Let me remove it from the basket. So we're gonna see the normal price. If I can I remove it? 1 second. Yeah, remove from the basket. Okay. Let's go back to the filament and PETG Light. Let's see what we have more. And yeah, the price is still 1071. Okay, it's even cheaper than PLA. That's something unexpected. Okay, we have red also on the stock. A little bit yellow, a little bit white, and a little bit red on the spool. Let's see if we can buy this one. Large quantity, and then you're gonna see the promotions, PETG Light. Oh, okay. So yeah, 10, 12 should work like that. Oh yeah, okay. We have active discount code. That makes sense. That makes sense. This is why we have this different prices. Okay. So yeah, from the spectrum, we have also PLA Premium from the new materials. This is what new about those materials is that they are just raw colors, or we like to call them tooling colors, because they corresponds to the brands that use this code of colors. For example, tooling yellow will be DeWalt, for example, and this is the tooling turquoise. It's going to be Bosch, for example, and this is going to be Husqvarna. Or maybe no, sorry, this is going to be the tooling lemon. It's going to be DeWalt, I believe, and also this is the Bosch, or maybe this one, tooling dark green, or I think this green, it's the Parkside, I guess, what I can guess. Yes, Parkside tools. So if you have a lot of Parkside tools and you want to get a lot of accessories, then you can, in the same color, of course, you can grab this filament, this color. And as you saw, when you're going down to the description with those filaments, you can see our YouTube videos, so you can basically see how they look in real life. I'm gonna just push it here. And this is my video where I print some of the models, and I try to show you exactly how it looks. I'm gonna, of course, prepare more videos about the colors, so then you're gonna expect and you're gonna learn how they look for real, not on pictures made in studio in artificial light. So I think by being a user and a printer, I think this is very, very important to see in different scenarios how the color looks. So yeah, because of this is the Parkside tool, this video, it's not exactly relatable to the tools, but maybe to the other, as you can see, 3D models like trees and other like how can I say it? Different. I'm missing the English word, but I think you get it what I want to say. So yeah, this is the news from the spectrum, and also we have this new material that is called lightweight PLA and ASA as well, ultra foam. When we've been on Formnext last year, we had a lot of samples we gave away, and also a lot of people won those samples, and I hope you had a blast when printing them, because they are super funny, because they are foaming, and what you can do is that you can reduce the extrusion rate to 30%, and then from 0.75 kilograms, 750 grams of filament, you can basically have 2.2 let's say kilograms, but it's not kilograms, it's like a volume of filament compared to traditional PLA. So it's like 3 times more prints in terms of volume, but it is actually the less in weight. So it's pretty good for printing the flying models. We had this one influencer that was making the flying models, planes, with this light foam ASA, because he tried PLA from different brand, and it was problem that in the sun the PLA was unstable. It was possible that this PLA lightweight was just getting soft, and it was melting a little bit. I think it's not the correct word for melting, but it was getting soft and it was deforming, which ASA, it's much more resistant for it's much more heat resistant, and it's much more UV resistant. It's basically resistant. So the plane worked perfectly. so he was super happy with it. So yeah, so here we can see that it in its fully formed state, the filament expands up to 3 times its original volume, achieving an extremely low density of approximately 0.33 grams per cubic centimeter, which is you need to see it in your own real eyes, because it's really weird when you printing. I'm gonna just show you here. I was printing. I'm not finished with the project yet. This is the same model as the other one, but this is the truck, the RC truck body, and this is gonna be the bed like this, and because it was foaming, it's 3 times lighter than normal PLA. So if you're gonna get 1 second, I'm gonna show you the RC model. If you're gonna get body like that, RC car like that, it is important for a car like that the center of mass, it's the lowest point possible. So this is because it's gonna be more easy to handle while driving. So many people, for example, are buying the steel wheels, metal wheels, copper, brass. I think it's brass because it's pretty cheap and it's really heavy. And they are putting also changing the axles, changing the bars, the springs and the cage, everything to the brass metal. So it's most weight it's on the bottom. And you can imagine if you're gonna change this heavy plastic body from the top to this foamy, which is 3 times lighter, the handling, it's gonna be even better. It's gonna be, I can say, it's gonna be better 3 times. So it is amazing, I think, to do that. So yeah, we're gonna do it and we're gonna compare it. I think it's pretty cool idea. So ASA will be much more sturdy, much more hard. Maybe harder, no, because it is a little bit flexible. If you're gonna touch it, it's like a foam, like styrofoam. So it's not as hard as normal PLA or ASA, but it is much more durable. So it's not gonna break as easily. It's a little bit flexible. So yeah. Also, the cool pro tip for this filament is to print as much as possible with one wall, which is also a little bit wider, or even in a vase mode. All the planes, if you print in a vase mode, it's gonna be just perfect, because by nature, because it's foaming, it is a little bit stringy, so you're gonna get stringing inside between the retractions. You cannot avoid that. It's pretty normal, so don't worry about it. It's normal. Every single foaming material, it's stringing, so this is pretty normal. But you don't need to worry, because this filament, when it's foaming, it's super easy to remove all the small particles. You just need to use your finger, and that's all you need to do. It's super simple. So yeah, this is pretty cool filament. I like to print with it. I like to use it, especially when you go down with the extrusion. It's super fun. But it is, you need to have like special 3D models that will fit the need for it. It's not the great idea to just print anything with it. You just need to have good idea. Okay, ASA conductive, we've been talking about it in the last stream, PEBA, which is also a little bit different than TPU. It's yeah, we've been talking about it. If you have any questions about those filaments, just ask me in the chat. I will tell you. But let's go with the materials, because we have a lot of categories. We have a lot of materials, different materials, so it's good to check them out. And also we're gonna have a lot of new materials coming this year. So yeah, stay tuned. So having those three, for now, 3 categories, 3 brands, Prografen, the Filament and Spectrum, we're gonna have even more, but don't worry. then we can also change our search depending on what we need. For example, if you want to find a material that it's in different colors, for example, you want to have nylon and you want to see what type of nylon do we have, you can find it and like take a look on it. For example, I need nylon that it's fire resistant and it's for example not flammable, so I think I will go with the PA6 CS20 FRV0, which I was testing recently, and it's amazing because it's simple to print. You don't even need to have closed chamber. For example, I was printing it right now. I have it on the printer. I tried to burn it with my lighter and it's not taking any flames. So yeah, amazing filament, but the price is also like industrial grade. So yeah, it's a flame retardant ceramic field engineering filament. But you can also print it on a Prusa MK4 or the Core 1. I think you can even print it on cheaper printers, so pretty good compound. I need to say that, really good. So yeah, basing on a material, you can find it here. But if you want to get refills, you can start looking here. So you don't need to look at every single spool, or you can search by effect. For example, you want to buy a filament that looks like stone, wood, metal, or you want to have one that glows in the dark, which is also cool. We have thermoactive filament that change color depending on the temperature. So as far as I remember, it's white and it's changing to red when it's getting warmer. Let me see. I think it is disclosed somewhere here. Let me just check. The color changes from red to cream. No, sorry, the opposite. So it's normally it's red and it's changing to cream. So it's like a white when the temperature exceeds 30 degrees. So yeah, pretty interesting filament. But if the color was changing the opposite from the white to red, it could make more sense in my opinion. But still, we have dual color, we have multicolor. Dual color, it's gonna be a magic silk we have, so it's a co-extruded filament. We're gonna have even more in the future. I did some videos about those magic silks, and they are really cool, they are really good. So yeah, the price is also affordable. And multicolor, it's going to be the rainbow colors, so depending on layer height they're going to change the color. I also like to use those when I'm printing the same models, but I don't want to change the spool, because once I'm gonna print, for example, full plate of parts, they're gonna be, for example, red, as you can see here or here, or even here. They're gonna be copper in the bottom, and then next batch will be transition between copper and silver, and the next batch will be silver, and the next batch will be transition from silver to gold, and the next batch will be gold, for example. And this effect can go few times over the spool, so it's also a pretty cool option if you like don't want to change filament too often. So pretty cool. I like to use those. And silky filaments, they were very popular before a few years ago. They are still popular. For example, I love spicy copper. This is my favorite filament from PLA. I also like aluminium silver, which is this one. It imitates a metal, shiny metal, and it's really shiny when you, especially when you print slow and hot. For example, 235 degrees on the Celsius on the hot end, on the nozzle, and you're printing super slow, like 20 millimeters per second, 25 millimeters per second. Then it's getting very, very shiny. It affects all of our silks. So if you want to get, like, for example, this pearl white, if you're gonna use those settings, slow and hot, they're gonna be super silky, they're gonna be super shiny. So you can use this knowledge to print something really shiny. So the other colors, they are also pretty good, but as I said, me personally, I love the imitation of metal, so copper, aluminium, and the pearl white also looks cool. Glorious gold, I got the glorious gold pretty dark. It wasn't that warm, it was more cold. But I'm gonna show you the PETG, which looks like a super gold. Cinnamon bronze, also this one looks amazing. You need to try this one. Cinnamon bronze is just amazing. The darker, colder color than copper, but it looks, when you're printing it correctly, it's just perfect. Then let's go to the transparent ones. From transparent filaments, I like to use polycarbonate because it is one from the most transparent filaments you can get. PETG, it's also transparent, but once you print it, it's starting to get this weird texture. So of course you need to dry it correctly. But if you want to get super cool colors in transparent shade, just go to the PLA crystal. I love this filament. When I printed these cocktails on the forum next, we've been having those, we have cafe, and there was like donuts, and there were the cocktails, the glasses printed in this color. And one of the visitors asked me, how did we print this cocktails in that way, so they are looking so awesome, because it was very clear and the color was very intense, and it wasn't air trapped between anywhere. And the secret is that you need to use big nozzle, 0.8 nozzle, and use super high layer height, for example 0.4, 0.5 millimeter on a 0.8 millimeter nozzle, and extend the width of the extrusion to 200% of the hole of the nozzle. So if you have 0.8 millimeter nozzle, you're gonna put wall that has 1.6 millimeter width, right? So the width of one wall will be as 4 times than 0.4, right? Yeah, it's going to be like 4 walls, but it's going to be 1 wall. And also you need to set up the spiral vase mode so you don't have any seams. If you want to get even more fancy, you can do fuzzy skin, which is like super tiny, 0.1, 0.1 or 0.2, 0.2 millimeters in settings, and then you're gonna get this like crystal effect or super cold effect, which looks like ice, for example. So we can do that. So if you want to print something like that, which is super transparent, many people print, for example, lamp shades. They're using the same technique, or you using vases. They are using same technique. Just do that, and it's gonna be super fine. Because once you printing, for example, something like that, I even have the model here. I'm not sure if you're gonna see that. I'm gonna show you here. And this is the normal settings, and the problem is with that between walls the air is trapped inside. Okay, I need to focus the camera. 1 second. I'm gonna refocus the camera. Let's go. Yeah. So the air is trapped between the walls a little bit, and then it's making the transparency, it's going a little bit away. It's still there, but it doesn't look as clean as one wall in the vase mode. So you need to think about this also while printing. This is important. Yes. And the classic PETG depending on the walls as well, it's gonna get to the it's gonna fit every material that it's transparent, the settings. But as far as I know, the hotter you're gonna get, the transparency it's better, and you need to dry the filament, as again I will say that. So what you want to do is to, if you're gonna choose polycarbonate, you need to of course get a higher temperature on the nozzle, so automatically the transparency will get a little bit better. But some, yeah, let's just see the PC275, what temperature it's recommended, and it's between 270 up to 330. So yeah, you need to have printer that can get 290 degrees, for example, for polycarbonate, and it's gonna be looking I believe it's gonna be looking good. I think I tested here. Yeah, it is transparent, but the color it's dark, so it's not gonna be as transparent as white or no color at all. Okay, let's go back. Oh yeah, I'm browsing the the shop, and I didn't show you the polycarbonate here. So this is the PC275 transparent yellow, and the temperature recommended is between 270 to 330, which is a lot. Okay, let's go further. Then we have carbon fiber filled, we have glass fiber filled, we have ceramic filler. Ceramic filler, I believe it's gonna be Thermatec. Okay, so this is Thermatec. As far as I know, this is for thermal conductivity. So if you want to like remove the heat from the part, you can use this filament, or you want to heat something, you can use also this filament, because it's very good in transferring the heat, the temperature, basically. Okay, let's go back. Matte finish. Let's see, matte finish. We have also UV filaments that they are visible on the UV light. They are like start to shine. Lightweight ultra foam PLA. Okay, so they are all with the matte effect. And then you can have the carbon set. Also the filaments with carbon fiber, they are usually matte because they are having a lot of this carbon fiber inside, believe me. So the finish looks very, very matte. Okay. Let's see, we have neon. Let's see what neon is. Neo red. Yeah, this is the UV version. So it is normally like this color, and under UV light it starts to shine. So if you want to print something visible on the parties, on the concerts, you can do that. You can do print some helmets and stuff like that, and you're gonna be visible everywhere. Okay, let's go back. With glitter, this is something that I was saying in the beginning of the stream, very popular colors, and we have violet 0.5. What more do we have? Silver metallic, it's gone, but this is 285. You need to take a look which filament it's what size. So basically we have most of them are 175, which is for normal printers at home. But also we produce different sizes and different spools, the size of the spool. So it's from 250 grams up to 10 kilos, even more probably. Okay. Yeah, the glitter is also, yeah, here you have Aurora Gold. I think it's a black color with the gold particles. It also looks super cool. And Volcano Gray, I think it's gonna be black with silver particles. So pretty cool. Kevlar infill. This is something that you want to have super sturdy. So we have ASA with Kevlar and ABS with Kevlar. So I'm gonna do probably also a video about this in the future. Natural filler. This is something that I'd never seen before. This is filament that has that contains organic matter, which is, for example, They are called that, but we need to go inside and see what type of ingredients there are inside, because this is called Pils beer. This is the hemp, this is the flax, we have dark beer, we have algae nori, we have oh yeah, this is the bigger sizes. So yeah, then we have wood, of course, we have oak, we have one second, this is, oh yeah, this is the same but different picture. Ebony black, this is black and wood natural, which is my favorite. It looks like a pine tree in my opinion, but I love this warm shade. I think I have it somewhere there. So let's go to the flax, for example, because it's in a stock. And you have, we're gonna see the description because I don't want to say the wrong thing about it. Yeah, it's filled with linen, which is natural flax, of course. It doesn't say how much it is inside there, but as far as I know, when I sent some filaments, I got information that the smell is amazing. It's so intense and natural that you want to try it. You want to try it. We have also aqua print, which is soluble, which means that if you want to, you have a printer that has many print heads, you can print with supports that it's they're gonna dissolve in the water. So pretty cool solution for models that you want to have perfect supports, but you need to remove them and don't damage the model. We have few new materials, which is PPS AM230 and HDPE as well. We're gonna test it, but I know PPS, it's very hard to print. Also, many people was asking for FlameGuard ASA. I got information that we're gonna have it, but in the future, probably a few months in time, if we are lucky. So you need to you need to be patient. As far as I know, we have other materials that can be fire resistant. Let me just check. Let me just check in the properties. Fireproof, it should be here. Because PLA, it's PLA, I know. Some people need better materials, and this is where you can go with the polycarbonate or ABS. And also we had PETG, and this is the bigger size. We have here, this is the flame resistant PETG, so you can do that. And also we have nylon, which is flame retardant, and it has this how do you call it, not the license, but you know, the document that it's fire resistant. It's not gonna drip with the flame on the cotton under, so it's gonna also extinguish itself even when exposed to open fire, which is very important for some people, and I understand that, because many parts need to be fireproof, so it is important for printing, 3D printing. And just to finish the list, you can see that you can find filaments by properties. So if you want to have flexible filament, TPU or PEBA or other filaments, you can find it there. Lightweight, tough, biodegradable. Biodegradable, it's just the filaments that are easier to dissolve in the nature. So if it's important for you, we have those. Medical, ESD, which is electrostatic discharge safe. Then we have also foaming, right? Let's see the foam, which is this ultra foam, and the lightweight, it's going to be probably the same category, but some people are looking under the different name. So this is why we have different categories, same category with different name. And then if you are not sure which filament is UV resistant, you can just go here, properties, and use UV resistant, and all filaments here should be UV resistant. Not sure why it's PLA matte here. Yeah, I don't think it's UV resistant, but you know, maybe it is. Fireproof, high speed, recycled. Many people was asking me about recycled filament in on Formnext, and people was thinking that we are mixing old prints and supports and like doing the new filament from it. No, because recycling filament, it's pretty hard. I mean, recycling the material itself. So this is the filament. It was recycled probably only once, because sometimes when you have error on the machine and then you need to like change the whole settings and stuff like that, or basically the ingredient was missing, the color was missing, then you need to like cut all the spools and make pellets from them and just reprint it again. I mean, extrude it again. And this is why it's called refill. It's recycled. Sorry. This is basically the normal filament that we produce, but it's made again. So this is why the price is a little bit different. But basically the properties, everything is the same, like a normal produced filament. And I said it's hard because plastic needs to have additives. Everything needs to have additives, and you have limit how many times you can add those additives. So yeah, you don't want to like work on the same material for 10 times. It's not gonna be as good as before. We have heat conductive, which I said before. Electrically conductive. This is something that I didn't say before. This is the filament that can transfer the electricity, which is quite amazing. I have a spool somewhere, but I just need to have some time to make some project with it, because it's super cool that you can print like PCB, for example, using normal PLA or different material that will be not conductive, and then you can produce PCB at home, which will be great. We have PLA and we have ASA, which is of course UV resistant and a little bit harder, stronger, so everyone can pick one that they like. What do we have more? Organic, water soluble, organic. This is going to be probably those with natural ingredients. We've been there. What do we have more? Antibacterial. We have antibacterial. It's going to be with the same category as food safe. We have materials that can prevent. We call it antibacterial. This material can prevent building up bacteria and mold on the surface. So of course it's 99.9 more hygienic than standard PLA. It's not toxic and durable. If you need something that it's very like almost food safe, it's gonna be this filament. But the problem is that of course the printing, it's not as food safe as it is. So yeah, we have high-speed filaments. Yeah, support. Let's go lower. Chemical resistant, impact resistant, temperature resistant. Of course, temperature resistant. I need to go there because it is. Oh, we have categories now. More than 180. Okay, let's see which filament is resistant. It's Thermatec. Okay, it's Thermatec because it contains ceramics inside. It's pretty typical. And it's also nylon, so yes. And we have nylon 12 with this carbon fiber 15%. It can withstand 180 degrees, okay. But If you don't want to go to these prices and you don't want to go with these temperatures, we have also HDPLA, ladies and gentlemen, PCCF of course, but this is like different a little bit. And then we have the Filament HDPLA, which is 1 kilogram per 20 euros. And this can withstand 150 degrees, which is amazing. And it's you just print it as on 210 degrees Celsius on the nozzle. Yeah, and the bed it's only 50 degrees, and it's gonna be straight out of the printer 150 degrees Celsius resistant. We tested, we saw it, and it's just great. Helix, hi, just joining now. I'm looking for Kevlar infused. Did I miss that on your website? You missed it on the stream, but I can go back. We have, I think it's effect with Kevlar, right? And we have ABS and we have ASA. On the stock we have this one, natural color, 0.75 kilograms for 42 euros, but you can use also the Spectrum IT10 to get 10% off. And we have this, I think it's also, no, it's not, no. We don't have this discount on this filament because it's industrial. ABS, we have this one, black one. It's 0.75. Small quantity on stock, so maybe... Oh, Acid Life Studios. Hello, welcome back. Nice to see you guys again on the stream. Yeah, a small quantity. Maybe it's a few pieces, few spools on the stock. I think I have this here. High deflection temperature, 88 degrees. I'm wondering, because if you're gonna go to the page and it's gonna be downloads here, you're gonna see the, let's go to the ABS, and you're gonna see the ABS Kevlar technical and data sheet, which says here, for example, I like to see those information here, which is super hard comparing to the other materials. It's pretty tough. It's pretty easy to print, but it's not like super easy to print. It's not as heat resistant as other materials, and it's prone to break. And the tensile strength and impact resistance, it's not as great as other materials. So yeah, if you wanna, for example, I assume if you want to print a skateboard, it's gonna be very hard, but it's gonna be easy to break. So maybe the nylon will be better with this one, for example. But if you want to print something that it's just like a case, which will not be, for example, it's not gonna work physically, but it's gonna be, it needs to be just hard, so it's not deforming, then it's gonna be the great choice, I believe. Yeah, so if we're gonna go back to the other materials, ASA, let's go to the, I was testing right now nylon with this one. It's ceramic infused and fire resistant and flame retardant. Let's see here. Oh, it's super heat resistant. Sorry, it's super heat resistant. It's not as easy to print. I can, no, it was pretty easy to print. I printed on the Core 1 without any issues. The bed was 95. It's pretty hard, yes, I can say it's pretty hard. It's allegation to break. Yeah, it's super easy to break. It's because of the ceramics inside. So yeah, this is the issue. Yeah, I hope I answered your question. I'm gonna just go with the properties. Like the way you present the material properties. Thank you. Yes, what it's TG of the nylon you are showing. TG, what's the TG? Can you help me with the TG? Toughness, or because we have data set here. Okay, it's pretty dense. I can see that. Low shrinkage, very low shrinkage for nylon. It's pretty low. Tensile strength 55 megapascals. It's pretty elastic, yes. Oh yeah, it's this the filament that can work on very high temperatures for a lot of time. So yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, glass transition. Okay, I cannot say here. Probably it's not disclosed here. Maybe it's this one. No. It should be, as you said, disclosed as glass transition, but it's not disclosed here. But maybe, wait, maybe it's on the other PDF, maybe this one. Let me see. No, it's just a safety information, so it's supposed to be on the datasheet. So I don't have answer to this question, sorry. But for, nylon, it's gonna be pretty high probably. Let's finish this list. Slightly above the TG point in ambient heat. Okay. Oh, that makes sense. So they are like, they are getting soft, but they are fusing very good. This is what you meant probably, as I understand. Okay, let's go to the high performance, reinforced with the carbon fiber, glass fiber, aramid fiber Kevlar, glow in the dark. We have also filaments with infused glass and carbon spheres, which are a little bit different. I can show you, maybe we can go to the download section, and this is okay, so okay, best layer adhesion is. I was thinking about it when I was printing a TPU last time, but when I was printing TPU on too low temperature, it was very bad layer adhesion. So I like to print the TPU in slightly higher temperature. Yeah, go back to the spheres. We have infused spheres, and it's called no, this is fiber. GS probably it is. Let me see. It's supposed to be here somewhere. That's interesting. Maybe the list is not updated yet. Because glass fibers are... Oh, GP, sorry. This is the GP. Let's see this one. Peba. Oh yeah, we've been talking about this last time, I think. Okay, so this is the hardness. It's better. I mean, the hardness is also good comparing to ceramic filled, but impact resistance it's much higher. Elongation to break it's not that bad, and the ultimate tensile strength it's a little bit better, but the toughness it's a little bit lower. And let's see the... Oh, here is the VCAT softening temperature 95, burning behavior HB, elongation to break 13%. We have, it's pretty, it's not that dense because it's ABS probably. Tensile modulus, 1 millimeter per minute, 2000 megapascals. This is something else. You cannot compare it directly, but it is ball indentation hardness 95 newtons per millimeter square. It's just physically more sturdy, harder. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna finish the stream pretty soon. Let's go just with those lists, because you can check you can find by colors. I see helix, pretty interesting. I think I need to, yeah, but what printer do you need to have to get this temperature? You need to have pretty good printer that you're gonna get a 95 Celsius chamber or even more. So it's not that easy. Then you can go with brands. You can buy pellets. We have pellets if you want to. If you producing filaments by your own, or you have printer that use pellets, because now those printers are more accessible, especially when Creality starting to make those and other brands. Then you're gonna get just pellets. For example, ABS with Kevlar. You want to have ABS with Kevlar? Yes, we have it. 25 kilos for 900 euros, for example. And then we have our last position. It's color wish, and you can get like pre-made colors with a RAL code, or you can make your own color. So this is pretty interesting, but we will talk about it in the next stream. Okay, I will finish the stream right now. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for saying hi and talking Helix and Acid Fly Studios. I hope you've been having a good time and maybe I answered your questions. Follow us, of course, on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube, so you don't gonna miss any future stream and videos and shorts and everything we're gonna post. So yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you, Helix. I'm also a big fan of Spectrum, and I'm really happy to work with Spectrum in Spectrum. So this is a super great situation, right? Okay, I need to test all of those filaments and make a lot of videos, and everything will come in the future. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the next stream, next video. Bye guys.